Oh, the video has started. Singing, singing, singing. I am singing and practicing English. Now also I am dancing. Dancing, singing is good for health. Practicing, practicing, practicing. English, English, English. English is a language. English is my mother tongue. I always speak in English. Remember guys, if you want to learn the English language, if you want to make your English speaking better and great and greatest, then you have to become mad, you have to become crazy, you have to become mock for it. I always say to everyone, everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. And it's also very very important, the craziness. Don't do like the people. What the people are doing, they are just reading the grammars, they are reading the stories, they are talking words, they are talking sentences, but you will do different from them. Remember one thing, they laugh at me because I am different, and I laugh at them because they are all same. So whenever you will do some different things from the people, then only you will get different benefits from the people. Okay, what the people are doing, they are practicing the same things, they are doing the same activity for to learn the English language, and they say that English is hard because they can't learn English. So always remember one thing, in this whole world nothing is hard or nothing is easy. Everything is same, but only this, only our brain, it makes the things easier or the harder. Okay, your mother tongue, my mother tongue, for us the mother tongue, speaking and talking in mother tongue, it is the easiest thing in the world. But on another hand, speaking the English, it is the hardest thing in the world. Remember one thing, if you can control your brain, then you can control your life. But if your brain controls you, I am sorry, skip this video. Its video is not for made for you. So guys, just try to understand. Okay, now what I am doing, I am running. Okay, now as you can see, I am running, I am jogging, but this thing, the activity that I am doing, it is not running, but I am also running. So what is the thing? It's a very interesting thing. Now guys, as you can see me, I am just moving my legs, and also with the help of my hands I am just pretending that I am running, but I am not running, because now just skip all of it. Now I am doing the running, and I am now running, and also I am not running because I am pretending to run. But just remember one thing, now the activity that I am doing, it is also one kind of a warm-up, and this activity's exact name is the spot run. Okay, means I am not going near and there. Running is what, whenever we go there from here very very fast, without any help of machines, without any help of vehicles, with the help of our legs, very very fast, then it's called the run. But now I am not just moving here and there, I am on a same spot, and just I am pretending that I am running. So this running called the spot run. Okay, spot running. And now what I will do, I will jump. As you can see, I am jumping. So why I am jumping? Because I want to practice the English language. Now I am jumping, and how I will practice the English language with jumping? I am practicing it. As you can see, whenever I make videos, at that moment I speak the English language, and whenever you will speak English, then you are practicing. Okay, don't think that in front of a number of people, when I will speak the English, at that time I will speak it. No, at that time also you are doing practicing. Whenever you will just do some conversation with someone, that moment also you are practicing the English language. So let's try, come on the again. So now I am just jumping, and I am jumping with the help of my legs. Okay, I am just pressurizing my legs, because I also know, and I think everyone knows, that jumping is very beneficial for our height. If you want to increase your height, then you should jump like now as I am jumping. Okay, one is full jumping and one is small jumping. So now a full jump means this. This is called the jump. Okay, means just try to understand. I am just telling there are a number of versions of jumping. Like now I will jump. So it's a jump. But now at that spot I was not just jumping. I was hooping. Okay, the hoop. Hoop means a smaller and also a shorter version of jumping. Just I am doing this. Like jogging, as also we walk, we just jogging, and also we run. So just walk, it means that walk slowly by using our legs, by using our hands, like hi, good morning, how are you? I am fine, thanks. And then the another one is jogging, and also you will go somewhere at the morning time, and lot of uncles and aunties, they're also just jogging with their friends, with their family, and also just like this. Yes, it's very nice. Means it is the slower version of the running, because in the running we just go near very fast. So it is the run, but jogging is like, yes, I'm good. How are you? Come with me, I also, and we will jog together. So this is the things. Just try to understand this. And now the third activity of mine, it will be the boxing. Here you can see I am just boxing. But I am not boxing with a partner. Okay, and I am also sure that none of us we just take a partner for to practice. Now I am in my home, and now I am just boxing, means I am practicing. Okay, I am preparing myself for that situation when I will boxing and when I will fight with someone, a partner. Okay, fight and boxing, they're also similar but different. So now this activity, now I am boxing without a partner. This activity also has a name. It's that shadow boxing. Okay, you remember boxing with a partner, it's a normal boxing, but boxing without a partner, it's called the shadow boxing. Means I am just boxing with my shadow. I am boxing with the nature. Okay, you understand? It's a very fun thing. So I will always say that only you have to be crazy for the English language. Number of people, they make excuses that I don't have time, and also I can't get any topic to practice the English language. No, you don't need anything. And even also you don't need a place to practice the English language. You don't need separate time to practice the English language. When you want, you can practice. Remember, English is yours. If you want to learn the English language, and if you want to become good speaker of English, then English is yours. Just treat like you is the creator of the English language. Okay, no one knows English better from than you. So just try to understand, just try to become mock for the English language. Now also just think that you are standing near a tree, and then suddenly you want to practice the English language. What you will do? Just start speaking with the tree. Like this tree is very beautiful, but on a same spot there are many trees. Like one is a curry tree. We also use the curry leaves in a number of dishes, so that's why this tree also called by the name of curry tree. And then this is also another tree, I don't know the name. And also this is also another flower tree. This tree is also very beautiful, and all of the trees, they together make a very beautiful shade. Okay, so this type of things, as you also can see, there are a number of leaves are there, and their leaves are separated. Okay, the curry leaves, they are like one kind of a light green color, and these leaves, they are one kind of a dark green color, and this trees is also one kind of dark green color. And there are also a number of trees, number of plants. Okay, so the small version of the tree, it's called the plant, and the bigger version who has a number of branches, strong branches, and also number of leaves, they are called the tree. So as you can see, there are also a number of leaves are there. And now if I want, then I can talk with this bottle. It's very easy. So this is a water bottle, and this water bottle is very big, but now this water bottle has a low quantity of the water, and when this water will end, then this bottle will be a empty bottle. And this bottle water, it is not drinkable. Okay, eatable, drinkable, just make sentences, make words. like you're thinking. So like as you can see one thing, that the water color it just changed. Whenever the water color is changed and becomes the greenish and also the yellowish color, then it means the water is expired, so you shouldn't just drink that water. So now I will also just throw this water, and I will just pour this water, and I will give this water to the plants. Okay, here you can see there are a number of plants. So it is the thing, and after giving is, now this bottle is in a fully empty position. So it is the thing. And also whatever is in front of you, whatever in the activity you are doing, you can make sentences with it. And also as you can see, there are some plate and also a cup. So as you can see, it is a plate and a cup, and how we just practice it, and with this how we will practice by making sentences with it is. So how and why we use the cup and plate. So we also use the cup and plate for to serve dishes, and also some things to eat to our guests. Whenever guests there comes in our house, then also our parents, and we also just give them a number of things to eat with this plate. And also a cup is a very normal thing. And also a number of people, they also use the mugs, and with this cup we also take the tea and the coffee every day. And this is the thing. Now also, now there is a situation, and if you want to practice the English language with your situation, then you can practice. Oh, now I'm also very late, I have to return back the cup and plate to my mother. Sentence, make sentences. As I also say to everyone at the first moment, everything is easy if you make it easy, but everything is hard if you make it hard. Remember, in this world every work is hard for you until you try it. Okay, if you try it, then the thing will be medium or also easy for you. And if you just practice it regularly, then it will be obsessed with it. Okay, we also talk and we do conversation in our mother tongue with a number of peoples every day, our parents, our friends. So this thing is not hard for us, it is easy for us because we are obsessed with this thing from our childhood. But now suddenly we also transferred in English, we want to just conversation, we also want to communicate with the people in the English language. So that's why it is hard, because we are not obsessed with it, we don't know how to do it. So remember, when we were a baby, then also we did a lot of mistakes to learn our mother tongue, but now we are totally perfect. Why this thing? Because just a thing which is now hard for you, if you try it, then you can make it easy, and also the easiest thing in the world for you. Now the people who can ride the cycle, the cycling, the riding the cycle, this work is easy for them who know how to ride cycle. But all of the people, the another people who don't know how to ride the cycle, then riding the cycle and cycling will be the difficultest thing for them in this world, because they don't ride ever, they don't learn it ever. So remember, if you want to watch a good future, then you have to take steps for it. Okay, final goals, success, you can only achieve them with just taking steps for them. So remember, become crazy, become mad for the English language, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because in this channel you will get this type of more new videos, and also fun, and also very interesting and teachable videos like as you are watching. So guys, bye bye, I'll meet you in the another next video. Thank you for watching, and upcoming next days also I am gonna post a number of new and also the great practices. And if you also just practice those practices for 1 week, for 10-20 days, then also your speaking will be like me. I'm working on it, so that's why please subscribe for the upcoming videos. And now if you want that, watch that how I practice the English language with my daily activities, then click on those videos. Okay, any of the video, just click and watch. So guys, bye bye, I'll meet you in the another next video. To agree, and nothing is little. Remember, just the thing which is hard for you, take step for the thing. Okay, go forward, go closer to the thing. If you are just making some distance by thinking, oh no, I will not do this thing, I will do mistakes, everyone laugh at me, then you are failed. And don't think about the people, become crazy, take a time, and at that moment become crazy, become mad. If the people are saying to you that why are you doing these activities, the mad people, the mental people that do, then just say to and answer them with a great confidence that yes, I am mental, I am crazy, I am mock for the English language. Bye bye.